Most people leave your video in the first 5 seconds. 5 seconds! Not because your video is bad, but because the intro doesn't give what the title and thumbnail promised. They click because they wanted something. And if the video starts slow or just doesn't make sense right away, they leave. Top creators do this differently. They come up with the title, thumbnail, and intro together. They ask, what did they promise? And then they make sure the intro delivers on that fast. So how to make a good intro? A good intro matches the title and thumbnail, gives a reason to stay, feels like, yes, this is what I came for. Also keep it short, 10 to 20 seconds max. That's enough to hook the viewer. Long intros lose attention and feels like you're stealing. A bad intro starts with, hey guys, takes too long to get to the point, feels different from the title and thumbnail. Good examples.
I just discovered which AI is worth your money, and it's not what you think.
That's Tyler Day. He's raised over $50 million to build a platform for newsletters called Beehive.
I accidentally discovered a growth hack that got my app ranking number 3 within 3 days of launch.
All right, today I'm going to answer the question that I get the most often, which is that if I was starting over again from scratch.
Use quick edits, captions, voiceover, whatever keeps attention. Rewrite your intro if it feels weak. And the outro? Don't just end with thanks for watching, viewers lose attention right there. The outro is your chance to leave the viewer with a clear point and tell them what to do next. A good outro wraps up the idea, gives the next step, like video, comment, action, gives a reason to stay on your channel or share it. Leaves the viewer with a clear takeaway. Bad outro examples. Like and subscribe. So yeah, that's it. Or just silence and fade out. Good outros examples.
Be sure to subscribe and check my progress on this because I'm going to be testing every part of this.
Share your thoughts below because I read every single comment to pick the topics for next week. And make sure you hit that subscribe button because next week we got something even bigger.
If you found this conversation valuable, subscribe to Founding Journey on Spotify, YouTube, Apple Podcasts.
But why does this all matter? Your intro is the hook. Your outro is the handoff. If both are strong, people stay longer on your channel. They remember you and, the most important, they come back. If both are weak, they just leave. If you find this video helpful, please check my other video about packaging on YouTube. Thank you!